For to me, to live is Christ, and to die is gain." And he said to them, "Go into all the world and preach the gospel to every creature." Jesus answered and said to them, "This is the work of God, that you believe in him whom he sent. But God, who is rich in mercy, because of his great love with which he loved us, even when we were dead in trespasses, made us alive together with Christ. By grace you have been saved." He said to them, "But who do you say that I am?" Simon Peter answered and said, "You are the Christ, the Son of the living God." "If you love me, keep my commandments." Who is he who overcomes the world, but he who believes that Jesus is the Son of God?